Hello guys, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen today, and today we're gonna cook seasoned rice. So we have 1 pack of saltfish. We're gonna put it to boil for around 5 minutes to get up the salt out of it, but it's quite salty. This is where you come in a pack like that, so we're gonna use 1 pack. So we have half of red onion, half of white onion. We have some pumpkin we're gonna grate her. 2 pegs of carrot we're gonna grate as well. Some garlic, spring onion, coconut milk, salt, rice. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna put in the saltfish boil for around 5 minutes. That's some pot with some water. Let that boil for around 5 minutes. Guys, basically what we do now, we just grate the carrot. So we want to give that rice that beautiful color we're looking for. So we'll just grate the carrot. Just like that. You don't want to grate it too big or too fine. So that's what I'm doing. Just grate the 2 carrots that I have. Just 1. Let me know the saltfish is boiling. Just get these 2 carrots ready. So that's it. Just grate the 2 carrots. Alright guys, basically what I'm gonna do now is just cut up the pumpkin in some small cubes. To make them boil out in the pot. So just cut them up like that. Then I'm gonna make this boil for around 10 minutes. Drop these in. So today is seasoned rice we're cooking with saltfish. And guys, when you're boiling saltfish, you guys have to be careful, because if you don't watch it, it will boil right over in the fire. So just chuck in the pumpkin in the pot. So let that boil for around 10 minutes. Saltfish can take off now. So guys, there I have my pumpkin boiling. So now I'm just going to chuck in the red onion and the white onion. Let everything boil them together. Chuck them in. Put in the carrot as well. salt. So remember guys, we don't put no salt in this as yet because the saltfish a little bit having salt in it. So when you put in the saltfish and you give the pot a taste, if you want a little bit more salt, you just chuck in a little bit more salt, but for the time being we don't put no salt in it. So we're going to let this boil for around 10-15 minutes. So coconut milk going in as well. I ain't gonna put in the whole can, I'm just gonna put in half tin. Give it a stir. So guys, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel. And if you want me to see another cook another seasoned rice like this, so leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel, share the video with all your friends them, and make a comment. So we're gonna put on the lid on this one to make it cook for around 10-15 minutes. Guys, this been boiling for around 10 minutes now, and I'm just gonna check it. The pumpkin boiled right out and the carrot, everything. Yes, look at that, that's lovely. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So now I'm just gonna pick up the saltfish. Just give it a mash like that, because it cooked very soft. So just give it a little crush like that. Remember guys, don't put no salt in your pot until you put in your saltfish in the pot. Although I already cook the saltfish and throw up the salt, I already wash it again 2 times, but don't put no salt in your pot till you put in your fish in the pot, and then you taste it after. So saltfish ready to go in guys. Just chuck it in like that. Give it a stir. Make that boil for another 3 minutes, then I put in the rice. So guys, this was cooking for around 15 minutes, and I think everything is ready now. Kind of flavor, you can smell like coconut milk coming out of it. So now I'm just gonna chuck in the rice. Remember guys, I don't put no salt in the pot as yet. Scrape all of that rice out. I want to get out every last grain of that rice. What we're gonna do now is just give it a stir. So guys, I just chop up some green pepper. I have a green pepper, yellow pepper and red pepper. So that's gonna chop them in as well. Give it a stir. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit of taste if they want any more salt. Yeah, I think we can have a little bit more salt in it. Should be fine. Guys, look at that. Look at that beautiful golden, green, red color we have. So this is seasoned rice. So right now it's gonna turn on the stove low, give it around 10 minutes to cook. So I'm just gonna put on the lid. So I'm gonna give it 10 minutes to cook. Turn on my fire quite low. Guys, it finished. This is seasoned rice, Jamaican style. So we have a drink over here with it as well, the ginger beer. A lot of people don't drink ginger beer, but I love ginger beer. It's a nice drink. So this is the finished product. So this is seasoned rice with pumpkin, carrot, onion, spring onion, and green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, and coconut milk. So you guys want to see me do another video like this, and make a comment. And if you guys new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, put up a notification so when I post a video you will get the video. So I will see you guys next video. So this is seasoned rice, Jamaican style. Look at that, guys.